to secure the best from himself and to give right service to others. Both the clerical worker and the manual laborer must have fresh air and healthy rooms to live in. Bright, airy rooms into which the sun's rays may pour and the breezes blow when desirable. Stop. Dark rooms retain germs of disease and either reduce the worker's life or weaken his physical strength so as to make him unable to do severe work either of brain or muscle. Stop. A robust man may carry on for a time in dreary rooms, but eventually such places must cause injury to him and bring on loss of force and energy. Stop. He will arise in the early morn, dull and weary from the outset, in place of rising merry and bright, and ready for anything in the day's work. Stop. In our opinion, the brighter the rooms we live and work in, the better our work is likely to be. Stop. Para. The food eaten by man bears something like the same relation to his power of working as the coal thrown into the furnace bears to the engine which drives the rotary press or draws the train. Stop. The power in our arms or in our brains is rightly said to be produced in our stomach, and it is from the same organ we derive the force necessary to rouse us to severe exertion in the earning of the wage or salary we receive for our services. Stop. Something of the value of our work rests upon the strength producing value of our food. Stop. At all costs and by all means, we should take measures to ensure the food value of everything we eat. Stop.